In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a bank feed from your Xero account, whether you're updating your financial data or simply need to stop a feed you no longer use. Disconnecting a bank feed is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together, step by step. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. If you're already familiar with how to do this, great. For those of you logging in for the first time, or if you need a quick refresher, simply enter your login details on the Xero homepage and sign in. Once you're comfortably inside your account dashboard, you'll find a navigation bar. This is your main hub to access the various features Xero has to offer. Look for the accounting menu in this navigation bar. This is where all your financial transactions and information are neatly organized. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu presenting you with several options. From these, choose Bank Accounts. This section houses all the bank accounts you've linked to Xero, offering a clear overview of your financial activities. In the Bank Accounts section, locate the particular account linked to the bank feed you want to disconnect. You'll see a list of all your accounts, and next to each one, there's an option labeled Manage Account. Find the account in question and click on that Manage Account option. This action will open up a new window where you'll have the ability to manage various settings related to that account. In the pop-up window that appears, navigate to the Bank Feed section. This is where you'll find all the details about the current bank feed. Here, you'll want to look for the option to disconnect feed. Clicking on this will initiate the process of removing the bank feed connection from your account. Before the disconnection finalizes, Xero will ensure that you're making this choice knowingly. You'll receive a warning message asking you to confirm your decision. This step is crucial. It's Xero's way of double-checking that you don't accidentally disconnect a feed you meant to keep. Once you're sure about your choice, click Disconnect or Deactivate in the message. This final confirmation will effectively sever the link between your Xero account and the bank feed. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected a bank feed from your Xero account. Taking control of your bank feeds ensures your financial data remains streamlined and relevant to your current needs. Feel free to revisit each part of this process if you need to disconnect additional feeds or explore further financial management through Xero. Thank you for following along, and until next time, stay organized and efficient with your financial endeavors.